I didn't even see him coming. Oh, nice.
He dropped it.
No, he's got it, he's got it. Keep winding, he's got it. Oh, man. What a jumper. It's going right. Oh, I think I'm getting some good footage here. This is crazy. Oh, yeah. Lighten up that drag just a little. Man, he was right here at the back. Is he off? Oh, you still got him. Very cool. Oh, that was awesome.
That was.
I thought he was going to come and join me on the platform here for a second. Oh, that's him over there. That was really cool. Keep moving it. He's got it, he's got it. Come over me, over. He's an angry fish too. Okay, he's coming around the front to you. You wind like crazy, Roy. You got a huge bow in your line. He's coming at you. He might jump. If you give him a lot of pressure, he might jump nasty for us. Oh, he's mad now. There he goes. He hasn't jumped, but he's like, I think as soon as you get some, there we go. Hey, boy. Oh, yes. Oh, go, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, here he comes at you. Get him a lot of pressure. Let get him jump here. I only got like a minute of footage left. Oh, nice. Okay. Now what you want to do is pull him left, hard left, and see if you can lift his head and I can grab that line. Pass me the line. Let's see if he's going to come up for us. Let's see if I can get his head up. Hello, buddy. If you flip them on their back, it kind of gets them a little disorientated and then they give up. Okay, there we go. Oh, you getting this? That's a nice one with the sun on him. Beautiful. Thank you, buddy. Let's get the hook out of him. Thank you.